Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user how many items to be sorted using bubble sort algorithm with user inputs. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. So we have here sharp include IO stream for input output in C++ using namespace std int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program. We have here the left curly bracket for begin, end, and temp variables, and then we have here the title of our program, bubble sort in C++ with user input. In this line of code, it will ask how many items to be processed that will be stored in our variable n. We have your new line, and then here I declare an array, one-dimensional r(n) integer. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that can only accept whole number, positive and negative number, including 0. And then this looping statement, we are accepting values now from the user. It will store in our one-dimensional array ri, and then here we display the unsorted array of values using for loop statement, console out. And then here I have here the bubble sort code, no? So we have two looping statement, swapping of values here, and then it will display the sorted values here, and then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, return 0, return to our operating system. In this case we are using Windows. And then we have here the right curly bracket to close the body of our program. Don't worry, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go with our dev C++ to compile and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Now bubble sort in C++ with user input. How many items? Let's say we have 8. And then item number 1, we have 56, 2, negative 67, 76, 124, 89, negative 87, 1. So we have here unsorted array 56 to negative 67, 76, 124, 89, negative 87, 1. Sorted arrays, we have negative 87, negative 67, 1, 2, 56, 76, 89, 124, and a program. Another set of values. Let us run. Let's say we have 5 elements now, 5 items, 56, 89, negative 123, 676, and negative 345. Okay, so we have here the output, unsorted array, 56, 89, negative 123, 676, and negative 345. Negative 345, negative 123, 56, 89, 676, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on bubble sort in C++ with user input. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.